Welcome to this guided meditation for self-love and powerful affirmations. In this meditation, we will focus on cultivating self-love and positive affirmations to help you feel more confident, empowered, and loved. So, let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension in your body, and allow yourself to relax. Now, bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a warm, glowing light in the center of your chest. This light represents your love for yourself. Repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself, or out loud if you prefer. I am worthy of love and respect. I am enough just as I am. I am deserving of happiness and joy. I am confident and empowered. I love and accept myself unconditionally. Allow these affirmations to sink in, and feel the warmth and love in your heart center. If any negative thoughts or emotions come up, acknowledge them, and let them go. You are safe, loved, and supported. Now, visualize yourself in a beautiful, peaceful place. It can be a beach, a forest, a mountain, or any place that makes you feel calm and relaxed. Imagine yourself surrounded by love and light. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, and come back to the present moment. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for self-love and powerful affirmations. Remember, you are loved, worthy, and deserving of all the good things in life. Until next time, take care.